going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I don't know if you guys seen, we're on a little bit of a drive. This doesn't seem like New York at all. Well, it is New York. It doesn't look like New York City. Today, if you guys can't tell, Malik's back. We got his N-line, and we're doing something big today. Something different. As you can see, we're filling up with gas right now, and we're on the way to get it tuned. Yeah, but maybe it's time for an ECU tune. Catless, and well, you guys don't know that. More on that I'll tell you in a second. Let's get in the car, guys. So I know you guys haven't seen Malik in a minute. You guys been wanting to see the N-line. I know we've been busy. Yeah, well, you know, he's been ghosting me for 2 months, but oh, now he doesn't want to talk on camera. Get shy.
You ghosted me.
Yeah, whatever. That's the debate we have, but it doesn't matter. We're here. But back to what I was saying. It did smell catless, and there's more on that in a little bit. We might have a catless downpipe on this baby right now. You know what? Let's play the footage. About a month ago, he had it. I filmed a video with that. I'll insert those clips right now. All right, guys. So before we get this downpipe installed at the shop, let's talk about the mods he has done to his car. So we have a forged inlet, forged air intake. We have upgraded spark plugs in here. We have a race chip tune. We also installed a 6-element exhaust. All right, guys, so as I said before, Malik has a 6-element exhaust. He also did a resonator delete, catless downpipe from Shark Racing. Now we're gonna install the tune. So let's get back to the video. But yeah, guys, it sounds a lot more like burbly, and it sounds amazing, but that's why today we need to get the ECU tuned. So as I said before, we're driving to Albany. Where's Albany? Albany. Driving to upstate New York. We left at 6:30 this morning, and we're gonna get an ECU tune on this baby, and then see what we can do with it. But we got another hour to go, so I'll catch you guys when we get there.
2 days later.
All right, guys, so as you can see, we are almost here. Well, now you can see we're 5 minutes away. I think we are in Troy, New York. Get one last clip of that stock exhaust. Well, not stock, I guess non-hop tune exhaust. But where did you bring us, bro? The hood of upstate New York. Is this it? No. Bro, where are we? He said look for a silver Elantra Sport. Is that parted out? Okay. Maybe it's over here. Oh, right here. Oh, here it is. All right, guys, so we just got here to Upper Motorsports. We're here with Raul, and as you can see, here's right now. As you can see, he's getting a custom ECU flash. He's getting the tune on it. As you see, we pinned up all the connectors before. He has the laptop plugged in. We read the ECU, and now he's going to show us in there. He has the laptop. He's going to give us a whole custom tune, and we're going to start from the bottom, build our way up. We're going to see how it is. Add flames, pops, the whole 9 yards. So let's go see. So for everyone at home, what they're looking at right now, that's basically the tuning files, and this is like what the ECU is reading. Yep. And now you're gonna go in there and you're gonna just put your whole secret sauce on it. So before, what we saw was basically you were plugging it in, you were reading the whole ECU. So now you're gonna go into the ECU, tweak it, and then we're gonna take that and go put it back on the ECU, right back on the car, and we'll load it back up, and we'll take it out and see how it sounds and test it. And then if you need revisions or whatever, you come back and you tweak it. All right, you guys, so we're gonna let Raul do his thing. We're gonna catch back to you guys when we're ready to put it on the car, and we'll see. So he just finished up the first log here, all the maps, and we're just plugging it in, and he's gonna write the code. Successful.
Oh no. Oh no.
So how are you feeling? Guys, he was nervous. He was just expecting like a little too. He didn't realize that he was flashing the ECU. I don't even think he knows what just happened.
Yes, I do.
Oh, what happened?
He flashed the ECU.
But yeah. So I'm letting Raul sit in the passenger seat. He's gonna do data logging. We'll record that for you guys, and we're gonna see what happens.
Send it. Yep.
Oh, Merry Christmas!
You just created a menace, okay?
We need an end, bro. He said we need an end. People that want to go fast, man. All I need is sound.
So basically what I've gathered, understood from him is at 4,000, right at 4,000, the pops will start to kick in once you let your foot off. Once you hit 4,000, they really kick in. All right, so what you guys just heard was a base map, and that was just to make sure. He was saying it doesn't cut boost, doesn't cut fueling. Now Raul just tweaked it even more, and he's gonna load on the second revision, and I guess we'll go for another spin. What?
It's not warmed up.
That's not warmed up? Yo, stand over here.
Shots fired.
I think we brought your car to the right place. Yeah, we're gonna find out, but holy crap. Alright guys, it's time for revision 3. If you guys heard in his car, you heard those pops, how they detonated. We're gonna try to do that now. And I don't know if you guys could tell, but on map 2, we weren't hitting boost. We're trying to get it up there to 20, 21 PSI. So hopefully version 3 takes care of that, but stay tuned. We gotta run it back, the race. Well, what we did, you had the tune on there, right? And mine was stock.
Doesn't count.
And now we'll have to run it back.
Send it?
Yeah. What are you looking for when you're reading that graph? Are you just...
I want to make sure the boost is actually going. It's like 18 right now. We can see AFR, absolute load, which is whack right now. Timing, voltage, TPS. Oh my God! Is it on that?
Yeah, I carry a fire extinguisher in my camera bag. Yeah, Yo, you see that look he gave you?
God help me, I got a race car.
Oh, we cut it right off.
Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure it's holding the most PSI up top that it can. So far the most I've achieved was 21 and a half, or like 6,000 RPM. So that's what we're going to work on right now.
This is good enough for me. This is good enough for me. I don't want to be a lap rat, you know?
Never heard that one before.
So what RPM range are you trying to put the most boost at?
Anything from 4,000 RPMs to 6,500.
So now you changed it, now the boost is going to be in higher RPM range?
Yeah, the boost should stay higher now. Load it.
Hopefully. You got it with this one, right? Think we got it with this one? Alright, what is this, 4 or 5? Hopefully we dial it in. Alright, so hopefully we're loading on the last revision. We're aiming about what? Right around 22 PSI, higher in the RPM band range or whatever you want to call it. So loading the file on there. Don't want to touch that because that will ruin the whole process. Yeah, do that. Wipe your ECU. We're stranded here. But we're gonna do that. We're gonna give it our last run in, and then we're gonna start our journey back home. We got another over 3 hour drive ahead of us back to New York City. So stay tuned, guys. Alright you guys, so we just finished tuning up the N-line, but before we end today's video, we're going to get some rollers. We're going to line it up with the Sonata N-line that is tuned as well, but you're going to catch that in the next video. This will be a continuation, but other than that, it's been Andrew, and I gotta go.